Okay, are you ready for the exercise? We're going to listen to the first sound of words. Cow. K-ow. K-k. That's right. Duck. D-uck. D-d. All right, hen. H-n. H-h. Horse. Horse. H-h. Wait a minute. They both begin with the same sound. Hen, horse. That's right. They both say huh. Yes. Huh. Hen, horse. Huh. Huh. Oh, good job. Okay. Ooh, we have pig. P-ig. P-p. How about barn? B-arn. B-b. Very good, raccoon. Yes. Now let's move on to words and how words are can be made up of parts that you could blend together, put together. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, let's start with McMuffin. Yeah, McMuffin. That's his name, isn't it? Okay. McMuffin. I'll help you. McMuffin. Put it together. McMuffin. That's right. Good job, raccoon. Now let's do a few other words. Are you ready? Some new words. Okay. Do it with me if you can, okay? Ready? Okay. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Okay, good. Mailbox. 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 Good. The word is let me think for a moment. Oh, actually, the parts are back seat. Back seat. Back seat. Oh, good. Okay, the parts are sidewalk. 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 Okay. Popcorn. 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 Good. Okay. Sunshine. 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 Toolbox. 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 Someday. 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 Okay, two more. Classroom. 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 Oh, last one. Cardboard. 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 Very good. Let's clap for raccoon. Clap, 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 clap. Let's clap for Johan for paying attention. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Yay, look at that. We blended sounds. And we were listening for the first sound of the words, weren't we?